we've got the Virgil Abloh Project Maybach. And look at how crazy it looks from the back. Hello, Gara. Nice to see him again. Welcome back to Six Cars. Alright guys, quick stop at the Mercedes Lifestyle Boutique in Tokyo. We've got the Virgil Abloh Project Maybach. Look at this thing. I'm pretty sure this is a one-off. I don't think it's based on any sort of chassis, but it's just this wild concept that the late off-white fashion designer basically created himself, as far as I know. But I think that's, I don't even know what that is on the hood there. I don't know if it's solar powered or what. Look at how gigantic the tires are, the wheels, everything's on this sort of like creamy beige color. And yeah, you've got the exposed roll cage at the top, got those rally style fog lights. I believe those would be just cameras for side mirrors. But it's wild. Well, there's a lot of cool details on it. Rear tail lights actually fashioned into the Maybach logo. And have a look at the interior. It's kind of hard to see through the glare. You can see the seat like fully folds down into a bed basically. And the back of the driver's seat. See if we can get like a slow zoom in on there. Sort of looks like a suitcase almost. And you've got this like C2 Corvette Stingray split window design at the back. Yeah, speaking of details, look at even the bolts on the over fenders here have the little Maybach logos on them. And yeah, just another look at the tires. They're freaking huge. And it's an off-road vehicle, obviously, so the display got all these grassy knolls, I guess you could call it, trees and everything placed around. Actually, let's see if we can get a look. I'll just put the camera up here. That's the interior. So the steering wheel design is pretty cool, I gotta say. Other than that, there's nothing like too crazy, but it's definitely futuristic. It's definitely got that like Virgil Abloh kind of flair to it. The door handle over there is absolutely huge. And yeah, just gonna look at the front grille here. Got all the rally fog lights lined up in the front. Again, on the roof, and I'll have to look into that. I don't know if that's like a solar powered like hood or something. But the design sure looks like it. And yeah, the car's huge. I'm sure I've said that already, but it's absolutely massive. It takes up so much damn space. You can actually have a better look at the rear of it now. Big speakers. You got that big like luggage compartment in the back too. There's a lot going on here. And have a look at the seat, which I was saying definitely looks like a suitcase or something. Like some sort of designer suitcase for the backing of it. Yeah, I just had a look at the interior. The Project Maybach by Virgil Abloh. Wow. Check out the purple turbo, guys. This color is wicked. Man, that's clean. The front shot there. We've got the roof wheels on it. There's a lot of Porsches here today, actually. Let's go have a look at some more. Check it out. All the classic 911s are parked up on this side. Look at this. We've got the Strosic Auto 993. So pretty distinct looking body kit. Everything's sort of streamlined. It's got those super like tiny little lights there, different from the standard 911. It's got these smaller intakes on the bottom. And check it out. Got the very, very wide 993. Got the yellow 997 there. Believe that's Maritime Blue 964. Ruby Star over here with the forged carbon fiber hood. This is like a full-on track build. Damn, check out the rear wing on the back. Very a la RWB style. That's quite the selection of classic Porsches. Man. Check it out, guys. I got the new Ferrari 296, something we haven't seen at Daikoku yet. Haven't really seen anywhere. Found one in the underground in that one video, but out in the wild, pretty damn cool to see that. Parked up beside the Dino. We've got the 355 here as well. Sick. Cool old JDM stuff. We've got the like Kanjo style EF hatchback Civic. Those guys are famous for like absolutely ripping it racing on the highways in Osaka. And all these AE86s, but look at this one, the HKS. That is like a full-on drift car time attack. I'm not even sure what this is aiming to be, but it looks insane. I know there was like an HKS Hyper Sylvia back in the old Gran Turismo games. I think this is like the same livery, but it looks so sick. And look at how crazy it looks from the back. Check out the aero. Listen to how loud the idle is. Like, damn. Wild rear diffuser. Yeah, the wide body's sick. Got the Boss Coffee sticker on the side. Got it right here in my hand. Nice touch. That's a crazy looking car. Check out, we've got the Itasha NA1 NSX. Look at the anime livery on this one. Starting to see a lot more Itasha cars around. And here is one, we definitely haven't seen this. This is called an Arteaga GT. So mid-engine sports car. I think it's from like the early 2010s. But it's designed by Fisker, Henrik Fisker, I believe it's his first name. So obviously the guy from Fisker Automotive. But yeah, mid-engine, has a Volkswagen VR6 engine in it. And it kind of looks like the Lotus Emira with the, especially those like rear arches, the intake there. Yeah, it looks pretty cool. Not too shabby. Not really gonna see another one anytime soon, so that's cool to see. Oh, the 190 Evo's back. Right on. Matte Black 600 LT Spider. Check this out. Got the Viper ACR. Not expecting to see that. Look, he's got like a custom wing on it too. Those different end plates. Viper ACR in Japan. That is wild. That's probably the rarest thing here, actually. Alright, this has me very excited. This is a real treat. The Alfa Romeo 8C. I think maybe like top 5 nicest looking cars ever made. It's such a beautiful design. And it rolled in with the convertible Sprint Zagato too. Oh, hold on a second. Lotus 340R. I think I've seen that car a couple times, but never actually got it on film. That's random. Daikoku things. But yeah, 8C with the convertible Sprint Zagato, a couple of very rare, very limited Alfa Romeos. Awesome. Now to look at the 8C. Let's get around to the back. Yeah, that silhouette, just everything about it. It's just a perfect looking car. And check out the old racing style Hakosuka Skylines. So, very period correct. Got the rad hanging out of the front. Got the headlight covers on there. So we got the 4-door there. Make sure I don't get knocked over by that matte black RS6. Got the 2-door over here as well. Look at that, the carbon fiber over fenders. Have a quick peek under the hood of that engine. There we go. Better look at the two-door Daikoku. Pretty timeless silhouette. Here we go, guys. Just acquired the Ditto. 3 tries on the claw machine. That's how it's done, everybody. I will see you guys next time for more Japan adventures.